Hey Petty Fam, we back with another video. We're doing AMP hide and seek at the AMP mansion. Let's get into it.
Look at all these legs, bro.
Damn, what the f?
My leg is out of socket.
And we are currently at the AMP.
Wait, hold on. He said his leg is out of socket. What in the world? How y'all got glass everywhere? This gonna get wild, y'all.
2.5 million, y'all know crib playing hide and seek live here today. Y'all know what hide and seek is. Let's get right into it.
We're playing hide and seek. The rules are simple. You hide and then you seek. If y'all new to the channel, click the subscribe button. Now let's get into the video.
Look how the roles have reversed. This is nice. Ready? Great,
Oh, Davis! Yes, sir.
Damn, it's almost like this was scripted. I'm a little nervous, y'all.
60, 59. Oh my God!
How niggas run so slow, huh?
You know my handicap can't move.
Oh, poor Chris. You know he hurt. Y'all. Oh man, don't get Chris first.
Got good, bro. Alright, good. Alright, so look, hey look, fellas, look. I've been goddamn looking at this spot for the longest. Alright, so look. Just a little ledge up here, alright? I don't know how the f I'm gonna get up here, so alright.
I wanna play it easy. I wanna try to hide under here. And try to see what's up. Okay, so I'm gonna have to move all this shit to one side. Who bonnet is this? Nah, Kai. You be railing. You a little freak.
Oh, he got a bonnet. I like it. It's a nice bonnet. Trying to keep his hair together, keep it moisturized. I see you, bruh. But yeah, you need to move all that junk out of there because that's gonna be so uncomfortable. Could you imagine being in there for like hours with all that junk in there? And it's cleaning supplies too, so it's got a smell. Take it out.
Who bonnet is that, champ?
So, we're going through the second living atrium. I have an idea. Look, Alexa, turn the lights on. Wow. Look, boom. I have an idea, all right? Look, everyone's gonna think maybe Agent's gonna hide in the wine cellar, right? Maybe Agent hides in David's dirty ass room. What I'm thinking, bro, look, boom.
How many closest? Is it closed? I think I'm good.
Close this door right here. They ain't gonna expect a handicap nigga up the stairs, cause nigga, I told my ACL, they ain't gonna say, there ain't no way Chris can climb ladders. Let me tell you something, bitch.
Oh, y'all go ahead. Go, Chris. Chris is such an athlete. You get applause for that, Chris. Good job, Chris. But be careful, sweetheart. You do not want to re-injure your ACL. Poor baby. But you're right. I wouldn't suspect he would get up there.
Yes, I can. Oh, yeah. Why am I saying oh, yeah, like that, nigga? Like it's sensual and shit. Move the ladder a little bit to the side. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, I'm just so smart.
Oh shit. Oh, it's routes. What the fuck? I don't think this shit's safe, bro. I do not think this shit's safe. Oh shit. I didn't know this window was right here. Oh shit. I can see Davis from right here. Now this spot is fire.
If Duke is on the roof, I'm not getting it. I'm throwing something at him. That's the same thing.
He coming. I just seen him. He coming.
Davis is not gonna find me. Bro, I told them. You cannot win hide and seek with me, nigga.
I like Duke's spot. Because, you know, I already told you I like Duke. And I also like Kai's spot. I think that's pretty clever. But also Agent. Agent got his nice little comfortable spot in somebody's car, right? Who gonna expect the garage, you know? But Chris did good too. So yeah, I think I'm for a lot of the people. Who else is there? Huh? Let's see.
I'm a little nigga. I'm gonna hide everywhere. The oven, the stove. I'm gonna hide in the fridge next. No cap.
Run, but you can't hide.
Oh shit, he's coming in, he's coming in. Help me, step bro. I'm stuck under the sink. Pause, Kai. That's pause. That's weird, Kai. Don't ever do that.
Tag. Yes. It hadn't been a minute. It had not been a minute, bro. It had not been a minute, bro.
I don't want this. But I'm on your team now, right?
Yeah, you know what happened? What? I got in my truck, and I'm like, damn, it's claustrophobic in this bitch. Get me out! Everything went dark, and immediately I went, I'm about to run out of air. That was low-key a little terrifying. I'm a bitch, I realized. I'm claustrophobic. Where he at?
Oh, Agent. Oh. He got himself eliminated. Hopefully Davis ain't gonna cause all that glass. I hope he don't get hurt.
Fuck Chris at? I know his handicap. Why is the only handicapped person in AMP have 2 floors? No, he not there.
Somebody here.
Creators made over $2 billion.
Oh my gosh, his phone's gonna give it away. Leave your, well, I guess he's filming, I don't know. But turn it down, bruh. Dang. Chris is gonna switch hands fast. He probably gonna get caught.
Since nobody gonna find me, I might as well just go on my phone. Indeed!
This is our new production room where we store all cameras, memory cards, and things of that nature. So we've been making, some slight improvements to the crib, to make us shit more productive so we can drop on Mondays. Yeah, Mondays. Hey, where they at, man? I'm giving them a brand new tour, my brother.
God. You just hit the camera. I dead ass was playing something.
They can't find me. I think the hardest gonna be me, Duke. I think that's gonna be the hardest. If Agent tries hard, it'll be hard too, but I don't know.
Welcome to the house tour. Come on, why you doing me like that? Hey. Hey, listen. So every week we got a nigga like doing my laundry. Today we got John C. in this bitch.
Listen, I'm on my break though. You feel me? Look, y'all told me I get a 30-minute lunch. I'm taking my lunch right now. Come on. Son, it's like, look, I got you. I was gonna fold this shit. I'm telling you, I got the socks, everything done, whites separated.
All right, see, get your dollar, brother. Okay, he gonna be George Jefferson in a minute. He gonna have Jefferson cleaners. Y'all don't know. Started off cleaning out laundry. Now he got a laundromat. All right, bro. I see you. See, thinking.
All that shit. But I'm taking my 30-minute break, bro. They don't even feed a nigga, bro. They don't even feed me, bro. This shit's crazy. This shit's sickening, dog. Like, god damn.
All you got is this time.
Sometimes you gotta go through certain shit to realize who you really are. Feel me? Cause you are put in a simulation that you didn't ask for to be put in. So you might be raised your whole life a certain type of way, just off the strength of where you was born at.
How are you in my school and you did not tell me?
Cause you don't be texting me.
Oh my gosh, I started today and I was just blown away.
You what?
I saw that and I was just
I got
blown
mad
away.
riz, chat.
Can I get some water? Y'all lie me.
Why is he talking to a joint? I'm so tired of him. Why? And they loud too. I don't know. Kind of might win this because apparently he far enough away that he can go talk on the phone.
in here. I couldn't even come out.
Nigga, you got a fucking top right here, nigga. Come on, you better drink the You better drink nigga, you better, you know the prayer hands, nigga. You better make a cup with your hands, nigga. Yup, just like that.
Don't do him wrong. Give him a cup and a lunch, man.
Make sure you get all in the crevices, guys. Get all in the crevices.
Don't say you're not in the video when you're holding the camera like this.
Oh, I done just discovered something. Hey, I told these young niggas that I just go, nigga, let's freestyle, nigga.
I say, yo, you got that blick. She said she wanna give me a hick, but I say, no, bitch, can't be licked. Damn, why you so fucking sick? Cause I go back to this shit. She gonna tell me she wanna suck me right on my...
I ain't no snitch, though.
Don't you guys do all of those things? You know, just go up and little Facebook.
Oh yeah, that's right. I was just fucking mad shit about them.
Hey, yeah, you can enjoy it, my nigga.
Appreciate that, brother.
Where's Duke Dennis at, man? Duke Dennis is not on the roof. I repeat, he's not on the roof.
Well, I think I know where Duke is.
He's not on the roof doing Spider-Man stuff.
You go in Duke's room?
Oh, he does love his room.
Duke's a huge fan of his own room, so we should probably have started there, really. Look, as I walk into Duke's room here, I'm gonna announce myself, Duke Dennis.
Yo, this nigga has a huge... Why the fuck does he have the biggest room? I forgot how big this room was. Big ass. I'm taking this shit back. Nah, Spider-Man. We caught this nigga being Spider-Man. It's crazy. And this nigga think he Miles Morales with his Spider-Man suits lined up and shit.
One time I came in Duke's closet, like when we first moved in the house, and Kai was hiding right here. So let's try this.
No, if that was a human, that'd be wild.
Where are you?
Yo, what's up, man?
How you doing, man?
What's going on, bitch?
Hey, don't call me a bitch.
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you.
I'ma just a camera.
I could hear you. I know I could hear you downstairs. Oh, fuck.
Down.
I could hear you downstairs. I said, oh, my dumbass.
Hey guys, welcome to the By the Water podcast. I'm your host, Agent Zero.
This is cute.
Today we're by the water and we're talking about long distance relationships.
Let's go round and round, round and round, round and round.
First of all, Dunkin' Donuts, I think, are the best donuts, okay? Don't at me. And you must get the strawberry frosted. That's the everything. What's your favorite donut?
If I was a Kai Cenat, where would I hide? I'm not gonna lie to you, that's my twin.
That's your twin?
So small.
Oh. Nah, this is crazy. Kai!
You disrespectful as fuck,
That's
bro.
crazy.
Yo. What's up with you?
What you doing?
Shit, I'm playing hide and seek right now.
I thought I just got home. I was about to go to the gym or something.
Go to the gym, you be working out?
That's fun.
Huh?
I gotta keep that.
Gotta keep that ass. It's crazy. One of them calling me. Let me call you right back.
What you up to, man? Why you giggling so much? What you up to? What you up to? Yo, what you up to, man? Where the fuck is he? Wait, what?
Where the fuck is he?
Oh no! 30 bad bitches just walked through the door. If only there's a cloud of YouTuber with some chains on it, you know what I'm saying, some grills or something to come greet them at the door.
You think that super nigga on the roof?
Super nigga under, I think so.
Yo.
What's up, nigga?
What's good, nigga? What's up?
Hey, do you hear them?
Yeah, them niggas is fucking ass.
Them niggas talking about 30 bad bitches just walk through the door. I gotta go. I gotta get there. Fuck. You can't get up here, you ugly ass nigga. Who can't? You can't get up there. Oh my. But this nigga, you just broke my fucking shit, you hoe ass nigga. You just broke your whole shit. Bro, you just broke my shit, you. Bro, get out, bro. Get out my room, bro. Hey, David, get out my room, bro.
Bro, how the fuck did it break, though?
Hey, bro, get out my room, though, bro.
I gotta tag you.
No, you don't, but get out my room, bro. Hey, look, I'll be down in like 5 minutes, and then I'll run. Get out, bro. Get out, bro. Get the fuck out, bro. What the fuck you got going on, bro?
I don't know what's gonna break, nigga.
Bro, what the fuck you got going on?
How am I supposed to know it's gonna break?
Bro, you can't do what the fuck I do, bro. You just broke. Oh, nah, that's crazy, though.
What is that?
Bro, get out, bro. Go ahead, bro.
This shit didn't really take away from the mirror like that.
What the fuck? You ate your whole ass nigga. I'm on the fucking roof, dumbass. I'm on the roof, nigga. Alright, man, I'm on the roof, alright. In the top, in this little spot?
Yeah.
Don't let it go.
Not in here, not in here. I got that drop on dude. I just snaked him. Listen, he's outside and left the house where we did the parkour. Come on, we're gonna corner him. You get one side, I get the other side. Let's go.
Is it dangerous? Yes, it is. You taking the camera?
Oh, wait, if this nigga slides off, he's dying.
You taking the camera?
Oh, shit.
What?
Yeah, bitch.
Hold on, what? Ain't no way. Bro, get the fuck on, nigga.
Fucking bitch. Where you gonna go?
Right here. I got it.
That's what I was waiting for.
There's type of vibe up here. I ain't
I
gonna
was
cap.
stalling him for that reason.
You know what I'm saying? It's dead a vibe. You know what I'm saying? Like, no, I'm saying.
How we gonna get there?
I really don't know. He didn't really think this through. Huh?
That's wild. Why he smoked 3 guys like him, bro? Like he a receiver for football or something. I mean, goodness. How y'all miss him? Go ahead, Duke. I see you.
I don't know how you juked him right there. That was crazy. Davis fell. That was an NFL level juke, my brother.
Bro, this nigga Davis broke my mirror, bro.
My leg is out of socket.
I juked you like that?
No, I fucking slipped, nigga.
Oh, shit. Bro, look at this.
How the fuck did that happen?
Look at all this glass, bro.
Damn, what the fuck?
That's what I'm saying.
How you do
That
that?
was David.
It wasn't me, nigga.
How'd you get the fuck out of here?
Oh, it's just a medicine cabinet.
Yeah, nigga.
That's the best case scenario, deadass.
Yeah, that is best case scenario.
Yeah, we can get that physical, right?
Yeah.
You won, my brother.
Yes, sir.
You won, my
Yes,
brother.
sir.
Yeah, no.
I told y'all, man. I told y'all.
See, the guy with the laundry, I'm sorry, I don't remember his name. He told you to look low. So y'all didn't listen to him. He said low.
Let's see what the fuck going on, man. Big hide and seek shit.
Bro, how the fuck your ass feeling?
Hey, man, you feel what I'm saying?
Nah, you went and got your food too?
Yup, and I got my food and
This
shit.
nigga is gay.
Feel me? Come on.
Right. Congratulations. Like, comment, subscribe. Share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad.